So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in camera privacy settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure you have camera access turned on. Also make sure you have let apps access your camera also turned on. And if you see your application right here that you're going to use the camera for, make sure you have that turned on for that as well. It's also going to be saying let desktop apps access your camera. You're going to turn this on as well. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in camera. Now you're going to right click on it and then click on app settings. And then once you're on this, make sure that under app permissions you have camera turned on. Now you're going to scroll down. Now under background apps permissions, make sure you have this power optimize recommended. Now you're going to scroll down again and then click on terminate. Now you're going to click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. See if that works for you. For the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find camera right here. I don't have it on my computer, but in your case, you're going to be having a tab right here called camera. Now once you find camera, you want to expand it. Now you want to find your camera. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that it says for your camera, the best drivers for your device have been installed. Also, if your camera comes with a software, try to update your drivers through there. And you could also get the latest drivers through the manufacturer's website. Now for the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything I'm going to be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand software. Now you want to expand WOW6432 node. Here it is, WOW6432 node. You want to expand this. Now we're going to expand Microsoft. We're going to scroll down and expand Microsoft. Now we're going to click on Windows Media Foundation. So I'm going to make this bigger. We're going to find Windows Media Foundation. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows Media Foundation. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, we're just going to right click on the blank area. And then click on new. And then click on dword 32-bit value. We're going to call this enable frame server mode. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase and then click on enter. Now once you have this, you're going to double click on it. Make sure that in this box right here, in the validator box, you have the number 0. So make sure you have the number 0 in this box and then click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer and then this should now fix your problem.